Safety at Zekelman is more than just words. It's the beginning of every meeting. It's the beginning of every day, and whether it's a walkthrough on the shop floor or a strategic project, it's always part of what we are doing.
We start every meeting discussing safety, key performance indicators. We will look at any safety issues, and then any opportunities for improvements are assigned.
Automation plays a great role in safety especially. The more automated the process is, the less it is touched by the human hand. Therefore, the less that an employee is put in harm's way.
There are what are called light curtains in some of those facilities. If somebody walks through one of those light curtains, it shuts everybody off automatically. There's a lot of waste technology to fix safety here.
By having most of our equipment be fully automated, it reduces the interaction between the employee and the equipment, and that reduces any potential risks of an incident.
It is the number one goal to keep our employees safe.
I can see myself being here for an extremely long amount of time because everything here is so safe.
I often get asked, what does Zekelman do to improve safety? And the real answer is that every year we're looking at what we did the last time to come up with what would be a better practice, what would be a new way of doing things. In some cases it's automation, in some cases it's a procedure.
Make sure we're safe, but not just us safe, the person coming behind us. We don't want someone else to get hurt.
The employees are very important, and their safety is of utter importance.
It's a constant journey on safety, and we don't stop at anything. We don't believe that an accident just happened because it was an accident. There's always something that we can try to do to make sure that it doesn't happen in the future, and we actively look for those solutions.